You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharia Brooks, and I'm back with another video. So if you guys have not read the title by now, as you guys know, this video is a giveaway. So today actually was the Bath & Body Works 3-wick candles, any size, on sale for $9.50 a piece. And anyways, I decided to pick up candles for myself in the household, but I also decided to pick up some candles for you guys, and my OG subscribers and my new subscribers as well. So if you guys want to enter into the candle giveaway, all I'm asking is that you guys be a subscriber of my channel. Go ahead and follow my subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and go ahead and go on my Instagram, which I will go ahead and list the link here. It's ShariabBaby, and just like my most recent post, be the most engaged, and that automatically enters you into the giveaway. A winner will be chosen next Saturday, so I give you guys a full week to go ahead and enter into the giveaway. It is US only, unfortunately, but I definitely will be doing a giveaway for my international subscribers as well. So if you guys are international, go ahead and comment down below that where you're from, so I just get an idea on where you guys are viewing from. But let's go ahead and get into the video. I picked up my favorite candles for you guys, and what else did I want to tell you guys? Oh yeah, I do have an extra something in here for you guys as well. So not just candles, but I do have like one extra little something in here for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for the remaining of the video. But anyway, so I'm going to show you guys the candles that I purchased. So the first two candles I picked up were the Into the Night candle, and look at the packaging, you guys. It's just so freaking beautiful, so cute. And this candle smells so good, you guys. I kid you not, it smells like a fragrance, like a sexy deep fragrance. If you guys know of the Lancome La Vie Belle perfume, if you've never smelt it, go ahead and smell it. Absolutely stunning. This candle reminds me a lot of that perfume. It's just a very womanly, not a girly fragrance, it's a woman scent. So if you like that grown and sexy, you might want to go ahead and look at this candle. Not only did I purchase one for myself, but I purchased one for you guys too. Here's your candle. Yes girl, yes girl. I got one for you guys as well. So make sure you stay tuned for the remaining of the candles and what you're gonna be getting. But anyways, you guys, this is such a sexy fragrance. And let me see if I can get some notes on what's in the candle. So it has sugared raspberry, velvet rose petals, shimmering amber, creamy musk, and with essential oils. So yeah guys, this is yours to keep. So the second candle I picked up was this one. It's called Sun Drenched Linen. And if you guys know of if you know of the linen smell, like that clean, cottony, fresh smell, this is that times like 100. It smells so amazing. Oh, this smells so good, you guys. That smells so good. You guys are gonna absolutely love this one. I wanted candles not only to burn around the holidays, but to burn year round, because I already have like my pumpkin spice and holiday fragrant candles. So I wanted something else that I could burn all year round, and this is definitely that type of fragrance to burn all year long. So I did pick up this one, and I picked up like pretty much 2 of all the ones that I'm showing you guys today. So this is also going to the giveaway as well, so you guys get your very own drenched linen candle. Sun drenched linen candle. How exciting is that? I'm so excited for you guys. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. This also gives you like a taste of my style and like the things I'm into. I'm so much into the grown and sexy vibe, and then I also like the really clean scented fragrances. So if I'm not wearing like a sexy fragrance, I'm wearing like something clean and fresh smelling. So I absolutely love this one. So you guys are gonna also get this one as well. So I also picked up this mahogany teakwood high intensity candle. If you guys know, this one is like a fan favorite. Bath and Body Works does this candle year and year every year, and I think it's also a year, like a year long, I can't get it out, a year long candle. I'm pretty sure I've seen it every time I go into Bath and Body Works, of course with a different packaging each time, but this is the high intensity one. So they have like a mahogany teakwood that's in like a gray or like a clear with the gray wax or whatever, but this is a high intensity one. And the notes in this one, you guys, is, so it's I can't talk today. It's an intense version of our classic home fragrance with notes of rich mahogany, black teakwood, dark oak, frosted lavender with essential oils. So this one is also going away with you guys. I'm also giving this candle away. It smells so yummy, you guys. Like how they always used to talk about this candle like way back when, that it has like that Abercrombie and Fitch smell. Like if you ever walked past the store, you know that fragrance when it hits you, you know you're by Abercrombie. This is definitely that scent. So you guys are gonna absolutely love it. It's a very masculine man scent. So if you're a man or if you're a woman who loves that man cologne, or if you have a boyfriend or a husband, he's gonna definitely appreciate this candle because it smells definitely like a sexy, what's the word, bachelor pad, if you will. So if a man had like a bachelor pad, I would only imagine, hope to God, he would be burning this candle when he slide through, sis. So this one is definitely amazing. It smells fabulous, and it's definitely that brown and sexy fragrance. So you guys are gonna absolutely love this one. This one as well is called Eucalyptus Mint, and it's made with essential oils. This one has fresh eucalyptus, sweet spearmint, lemon peel, clary sage with essential oils. And if you guys smelt the stress relief candle, if you have the stress relief candle, this is very much so like that one. It smells super relaxing and it smells like a spa. So I actually saved this guy for me because when I take my baths or whenever I'm just like a high stress, I need stuff like this in my life. I need this one, I need the body lotion, I need the body oil, I need the aromatherapy burning diffused in the background, guys. Like when I'm stressed out, I'm stressed out. So this guy definitely is going to assist in my stress. I should be burning this now because you guys, I've had quite the day today. I'm not gonna even get into it, but yeah, so all is well, I'm good. All right, guys, last but certainly not least, so if you are one of my lucky winners, I really decided to throw this in for you guys, and it is the pink, oh, I just totally butchered the word pink. It's the pink hydrogel lip mask with hyaluronic acid, and it's the nourishing one-piece lip mask. So I thought I'd throw this in for you guys as well since it's the holidays. I know it's cuffing season. Girl, go ahead and get you someone to cuff, if not already. And before you cuff his ass, make sure you put this lip mask on so your lips are nice, hydrated, and soft and supple. If you guys don't know, hyaluronic acid is like a hydrating aid. So it hydrates the skin and it keeps the moisture locked into the skin. So I actually haven't tried this mask. When I looked at it, I was like, oh my gosh, my subbies will probably love this, so let me go ahead and pick it up for them. So hopefully you guys love this mask. Let me know how you guys like it because I've never tried it myself, but I thought I'd pick it up for you guys. At the end of this video, I have a little secret to tell you guys. No, I'm not pregnant, but I definitely will be hosting a giveaway each and every week of December. So next week on Saturday, I will be hosting another giveaway. So if you guys stayed and watched the end of this video, you guys got that tea. So I will definitely be hosting another giveaway at the end of next week. I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and go ahead and catch up on some other videos. I did upload a Christmas home decor haul, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll go ahead and leave it somewhere here or in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check that one out. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing and supporting your girl. I love you guys and happy holidays. See you in my next one. Bye guys.